In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a completed document from DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account where the completed document is stored, since many people manage more than one workspace or profile. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, go to the Manage section. This is where DocuSign organizes your envelopes and documents by status, making it easier to find items that have already been sent, signed, or completed. After you enter Manage, select the Completed tab. This will filter your documents so you only see the ones that have finished the signing process. Now, find the document you want to download. If you have a long list of completed files, take your time and look carefully at the document name, date, or other visible details so you choose the correct one. Once you've found it, select the document to open its details. This will bring up the document information and available actions. From there, select Download. In some cases, DocuSign may show more than one download option depending on the type of file or the available export choices. If that happens, choose Download Document. This is the option that downloads the actual completed file you want to save to your device. After that, wait for the document to download. The amount of time this takes can depend on your internet speed and browser settings. In many browsers, you'll see the progress in a small download bar, notification or icon near the top or bottom of the screen. Once the download is complete, open your device's Downloads folder. This is usually the default location where downloaded files are saved unless you've changed your browser settings. Locate the downloaded document and check the file name so you can confirm it's the one you selected in DocuSign. Finally, open the file to verify that the document was downloaded successfully. This is a useful last step because it confirms the file isn't corrupted, incomplete, or the wrong document. If it opens correctly and the contents look right, then you're all set. Thanks for watching.